Downloading apps on your Hisense Xumo smart TV is straightforward. Since Xumo TVs use Android TV, you'll primarily use the Google Play Store. First, press the Apps button on your remote. Navigate to and open the Google Play Store app. Use the on-screen keyboard to search for the app you want, such as YouTube, Netflix, or Disney+. Select the app from the search results and click Install. Downloads typically take 1 to 5 minutes, depending on your internet speed. The app will automatically install to the TV's internal storage. As of September 2025, the Google Play Store supports over 10,000 apps for Android TV. Keeping your apps updated is crucial for performance and security on your Hisense Xumo Smart TV. Most apps update automatically by default, ensuring you always have the latest features and security patches. For manual updates, navigate to Settings, then Apps, and select See All Apps. Choose the app you want to update and select the Update option if available. Alternatively, open the Google Play Store and go to the Update section to update all your apps at once. Make sure you have at least 2 to 5 gigabytes of free storage per app to avoid installation issues and maintain optimal performance. Hisense has partnered with major app developers to ensure native compatibility, which helps reduce bugs during downloads and updates. As of 2025, Hisense incorporates eco-friendly modes that optimize downloads during off-peak hours to minimize power consumption.